Hey there, Titans. In this video, we'll talk about multi-page forms when migrating from Titan Form 1 to Titan Web. Alright, so I have here a very old form that has a page break element on it, which basically allows me to have multiple pages on my form. This is Form 1, and whenever I will navigate, I can navigate to multiple pages. So the way this is done in Titan Web, you have a few options, again, depending really on what you need. If you're building a portal, you want to separate it to different pages. You can add as many pages as you like onto Titan Web projects, and highly suggested to go to the Titan Academy, looking at building a portal, and then you have really nice video on how to build a multi-page public portal. So this is one way. Another way is, again, to have it in a container. So Titan Web has really cool containers like Stepper, which will emulate the page break, really depending on what you need and what you're building. But there is a lot of ways of separating collection of inputs from the client. Again, depending on what you need, you can use accordions, and you have a lot of containers that can come in handy. So feel free to explore the container elements. And again, working with multiple pages, you need to learn a little bit how to pass values from one page to another if you need multiple pages. And again, everything is covered in the Titan Web Essentials Academy. And that's how it's done.